Hey, Yang Fan Preschool's Halloween party rocks! With whimsical costumes, kids are totally immersed.
Like you put the butter on your jam, right?
And here,
The way you put butter on your bread.
yes.
Look, cookies are getting spooky and mini pumpkins are made.
Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween, Miss Nan.
Okay.
A pumpkin bubble machine, spooky sounds. Treat bags are filling up with cool stuff. Parading for treats, what a joke! Laughter, running and jumping, so much fun. Colorful childhood adds another wonderful memory. Yang Fan Preschool always makes festivals special for kids, filling their childhood with warm memories. Join us and let your child experience a wonderful childhood.